For more on what we can expect in court this week, CNN legal analyst Shan Wu. All right, Shan, good to see you. So you served on the legal team for former Trump campaign aide Rick Gates during the Mueller investigation. Prosecutors have laid out nearly 500 pieces of evidence they plan to present against Manfort. Take us kind of behind the scenes of how Special Counsel Robert Mueller just might operate in laying out this case.
Sure. One thing, Fred, I have to say is anything I say is not based on any confidential information I gained as a member of the team. I think this will be a very fascinating trial. It's the first one to go. And I think the prosecution is going to face a couple of challenges. The first is going to be, this is going to be very technical evidence. They have a lot of it in terms of financial records and such. And it's always a little bit hard to make sure the jury follows all that and, frankly, stays awake during that. So that's one challenge. And then I think the second one is a challenge for the defense team, which is Manafort is not going to come across as a really sympathetic character. Seems like a very rich fellow, very connected. So their challenge is to make him, to humanize him, to make him a more sympathetic person. And then the last thing that's so fascinating, of course, is the really unusual number of immunized witnesses that Mueller is seeking to have immunized. And that means that they will be free from any potential criminal charges against them. And that certainly presents a lot of challenges for both sides, really.
And whether it be the journey of this trial or perhaps even the outcome, all of it could really make a huge impact on the ongoing Mueller investigation. To what degree? What do you anticipate?
Well, I think it's a very high-stakes trial, obviously, for Manafort because he faces a second one, too. But it's very high stakes for Mueller's team. I mean, they really need to win this first one coming out of the box. And the use of the immunized witnesses, I think, shows how important the trial is to them. To grant, or at least to seek, immunity to that many witnesses really puts them on the hot spot. They're not holding anything back. And of course, with juries, sometimes they don't like immunized witnesses. They feel like these folks can say whatever they want and there's no consequences. But it's very important for Mueller's team to win this one. I think they're really working hard on it.
All right, Shan Wu, thanks so much.
Thank you, Fred.